My video is on the rain shadow effect, which is an area having relatively little precipitation due to the effect of a topographic barrier, especially a mountain range. That causes the prevailing winds to lose their moisture on the windward side, causing the leeward side to be dry. If you didn't get any of that, a simpler definition is just a region in the lee of the mountains that receives less rainfall than the region windward of the mountains. Due to the prevailing westerlies coming in from the ocean, the western side of the mountain, or the left arrow, will have vegetation, and the eastern side of the mountain, or the right arrow, will have no vegetation. So here I'm drawing in the vegetation that I talked about a while ago. I probably should have added that in before I talked about it, but whatever. Moisture-laden air is picked up over the ocean by the prevailing westerlies, which brings it inland, and that's what I'm drawing right here. The air heats up over the land, which allows it to pick up additional moisture. When the air hits the base of the mountain, it's forced upwards. As the air rises, it expands and cools. Cool air cannot hold as much moisture as warm air, so rainfall occurs. The air continues over the mountains as dry air. Being cool air, it descends down the mountain, but as it descends, the air begins to warm. When the air descends, it picks up the moisture from the vegetations, which creates desert-like conditions. Considering I don't remember talking about the rain shadow effect, everything to me is interesting and new. One interesting fact is California's Saline Valley in Death Valley National Park is in the rain shadow of the Sierra Nevada mountains. The mountains block most precipitation from falling in the valley, creating a dry climate where few plants can grow. Another interesting yet obvious fact is that most of the rain shadows occur next to some of the most massive mountain ranges. Death Valley kind of has a double whammy of being located in the rain shadow of the Pacific Coast Range and the Sierra Nevada Range. This is why Death Valley is one of the hottest, driest places on Earth. Yet another interesting fact is I filmed this in my Christmas pajamas, drinking out of a non-plastic water bottle, and watching Hallmark Christmas movies.